good boy. Come here. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, yes, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy.
Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Saturday, December 3rd. You know what that means. We're going to do a quick review of this garden. Then we're going to go to you and celebrate what's going on in your garden. You caught me on a break. I've been putting in leaves all morning. It's been kind of slow to warm up, but that wind has sure died down, which makes it a little nicer. And the sun is out. Eric, thank you. Now, if you're new to my channel and to my story, you're in for a real treat. Saturdays are reserved to celebrate what's going on in your garden. After all, we gain inspiration, motivation, and ideas from each other. And sitting here looking at this cold frame, I'm just simply amazed at how stuff comes back. You know, that groundhog did eat this down to nothing. I know somebody else has got a really nice bok choy garden going. Let's go on down to Florida and take a look at Bruce's garden. Bruce, it looks like you'll be having plenty of fresh vegetables for Christmas dinner and well into next year. Such a blessed abundance. The mango grafts look great. Thank you, Bruce. Bruce, that was awesome. I'm really looking forward to seeing how that grafting turns out. The radishes under the mini greenhouse seem to be doing really well. If you remember, we planted this in September. I'm still counting on having this as part of Christmas dinner. You can do this too, even if you get weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at Dan's garden. Dan's family's roasting the last of their tomatoes that they harvested just before the freeze took everything else. Except what's growing in the greenhouse, which looks very cozy. Thank you, Dan, for sharing. Dan, that was incredible. And if you'd like to see a little bit more from 4 Acres Family Homestead, the link is in the description box below. They've been a really good friend of this channel. If you remember, this oregano started from one small plant a couple years ago. It's very cold hardy. It puts on a lot of seeds. It reseeds itself. We've got some growing off over there. It's a really nice ground cover. We've got a lot of mulch around here, and it's too big to actually cover with any of the mini greenhouses I have. So we're going to see what we get. Let's go on down to Texas and see what's going on in Valerie's garden. Has anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? Your container garden doesn't look like the cold hit it very hard. Your cool weather greens and those peas, they're doing exceptionally well. Your vegetables always look so tasty. Thank you, Valerie, and your garden is simply blessed. Valerie, that was excellent as always. What am I doing with the watering pitcher? If you got a lot of wind, make sure you keep your young stuff watered. They'll dry out very fast. Leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their garden. I do want to thank you for coming and helping celebrate our friends and neighbors and what they're doing in their gardens. I invite you to join us. All you have to do is send me a photo at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. The address is in the description box below. Let me ask you a question. What came first? The fruit orange or the color orange? My imagination, or are those lemons turning yellow? Instead of recovering this greenhouse with plastic, I think I need to put some real plastic sheeting on it and finish it up, put a decent little roof on it. I think that's going to be my Christmas wish, and we're going to work on it this month. Christmas is coming, and if you're going to do some online shopping, if you'd use my Amazon link in the description box below, it would help me out. Now that we've taken a break and celebrated our friends and neighbors, watered up all the young stuff, had our cup of coffee, thank you, Eric, I probably ought to get back to hauling some leaves. This garden ain't going to cover itself after all. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.